Thanks for visiting, and I just had a question to ask the community, so I thought I would do it in video form so we can get some feedback here. I am considering doing live streams in about a month or so, and maybe do them once a week. I was wondering if this is something the community would be interested in. It would be a little different than most live streams. It would be a set time and day, and it would repeat every week, and the live stream would be about Apple and iPhones. I would talk about the news that I have for that week, and after that we would start working on questions. If people have problems, I would try to fix them real time on the live stream. So if you have a problem and I can help, I'll go through and give you the steps I can. I have to wait till I buy the new iPhone, which should be relatively soon, and then I'll have a spare iPhone so I'll be able to use on stream to show everyone what to do if they need it fixed. This is just a suggestion. I think it's a pretty cool idea. I want to know if this is something you would be interested in. If you have any other tips about what else I can do, that would be great. Or a format, anything at all. Or if you even want this, smack the thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know what you would be interested in most. I think it'd be great to bring the community together because I feel like we're doing really good together and the channel has been doing great. I really enjoy Apple and their products, and now's an interesting time. So this would help me learn more about them because I'll be researching it more, and it'll also help us to fix your problems and make sure they stop happening. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and yeah, we could do this. If you're interested, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. That way you don't miss it when we do go live. Thanks.